Picture this. It's Thursday night. Your kid's team calls with an out-of-state tournament that starts Friday. You were supposed to have custody this weekend. And yes, it's also your anniversary. Panic station, right? Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a tight playbook, a legal baseline you can actually use, plug-and-play scripts to tell your co-parent or include a new partner, a short checklist of paperwork to carry, and one music pick to help everyone breathe on game day. Quick legal baseline first. Custody orders look different from family to family, but most separate parenting time from decision-making authority. That matters because day-to-day pickups are routine, but overnight or out-of-state travel is where the questions start.
Common language you'll see, something like no out-of-state travel without written consent, or a notice requirement, like X days advance warning. If your order is silent, treat overnight or crossing state lines as a trip that needs written consent anyway.
Here's the thing. This isn't paperwork for its own sake. It's about keeping one weekend from becoming a memory you dread. Clear documents equal less arguing, and that translates into calmer kids. A short permission line that covers the basics works well. I, co-parent name, give permission for child's name to travel with parent name from date to attend tournament name. I authorize emergency medical treatment if necessary. Contact, phone number. Keep it factual. Names, dates, locations, and an emergency contact. If it's overnight or out of state, clubs often ask for a signed form or notarization. Can't get a notary fast? An emailed, signed, and dated consent, plus a screenshot of your ID or custody order, will often satisfy coaches and medical staff. But check local rules, and when in doubt, talk to a local attorney. If you're the parent who needs the time for travel, try this text to your co-parent. Hey, heads up. Riptide tournament advanced to Friday, Sunday in city. I'd like to take Sam both nights. I'll send the travel and hotel info. I'll carry a signed consent and medical release. Are you okay with that? If they say no or worry, don't escalate. Try this reply. I hear you. Tell me your concern and we'll try to solve it. I can arrange separate rooms or an extra chaperone. If they still refuse without safety reasons, document the refusal and call your club admin. Say, we have a travel consent, but co-parent has raised concerns. Can you confirm club policy for overnight stays? Introducing a new partner into travel plans needs clarity, not drama. Try, I want you to meet Alex as a respectful part of the travel plan. Alex will be on the roster as a chaperone for hotel check-ins and will stay in the room with the kids only if you're okay with that. If you prefer, I can arrange separate rooms. Don't forget the kids' emotional needs. Before the trip, ask what they're excited about and what they need to sleep well. Bring a familiar blanket, keep bedtime rituals, and run a quick who-to-call plan so they feel safe even when routines change. Quick checklist. Keep this in your glove box or a phone folder. Signed travel consent with dates and locations. Also carry a medical release, allergies, meds, insurance card, and a copy or screenshot of the custody order. Hotel reservation, coach and club contacts, and one local emergency contact who isn't on the trip. Oh, and screenshot your co-parent's consent text. That one saves headaches. Tournament logistics tips. Confirm who's driving which kids, set pickup windows instead of exact minutes to reduce friction, and pick a hotel near the venue if you can, right? Plan for multi-day brackets. What if you advance late into the night or get knocked out early? A simple calendar clause that reduces surprises is, a parent shall provide 48 hours notice of any out-of-state or overnight travel. Absent emergency, the traveling parent shall provide itinerary and emergency contacts. When should travel trigger mediation or court? If a co-parent refuses reasonable notice without safety reasons, repeatedly violates an order, or prevents medically necessary care, start collecting evidence, texts, emails, tickets, witness names, and club policies. If you find a concerning background on someone in the sports circle, don't go public. Contact the club director. Get the person off the field pending an investigation, and if criminal behavior is suspected, call local law enforcement.
Keep a written timeline of every step. Balancing romance and parenting on travel weeks is mostly about clear boundaries. Tell your partner what you can commit to before schedules drop. If you're traveling, promise to communicate within an agreed window and provide the documents you said you would. If you're staying home, set limits like, I can do Friday rides, but overnight care needs X days notice.
Short sports tie-in. One weekend, my kids' championship moved an hour earlier. We had consent on file, backup carpools, and a coach who texted confirmations. Kid played relaxed, we cheered, and the anniversary dinner moved to Sunday with zero drama. Planning wins.
Music pick. When I need to study the vibe before a tournament, I cue up a smooth R&B track. Nothing loud, just calm rhythms to help kids and adults breathe in the car or hotel room.
Okay, quick recap. Get written consent with dates, carry medical releases and custody proof, use short factual scripts to notify co-parents and partners, plan logistics early, and collect evidence if things escalate. Try mediation before court when possible, and consult a local family lawyer for case-specific questions.
Thanks for listening to Danni's Den. If you have a specific legal issue you're thinking about, send me a direct message or visit thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation and see if I can help. If this episode made tournament weekends feel a little more manageable, please subscribe for more weekly tips. Let's chat.